Welcome to the Sharifi Life Vlogs vlog number 11. Also, it's the shortest vlog I ever made, so I hope you enjoy.
Eat it. Oh, no. It's like, oh, I'm so cool.
You ate all that air.
Oh, that air was delicious. Chicken and a wiener.
Biscuit and chicken.
And a wiener.
Potatoes.
And tea.
And chicken.
And a wiener. No, Joon, no chicken. Wiener. Chicken. No. Where you going?
He gets camera shot.
Chicken.
Huh? Why you try to eat my... God bless you. God bless you. Oh, you have allergies? Oh, you do? Oh. Well, I'm sorry. Oh. Oh, goodness. Oh, my. You're allergic to Justin Bieber? Oh, okay. Well, that makes sense. Oh, God bless you. And I was like, baby, baby, baby. And I was like, baby, baby, baby. Hey everybody, sorry this vlog is so short. I just have to get working on the 100-day challenge that I'm a part of. I am day 11, that's next Wednesday, so I gotta get working, time's a ticking. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching as much as I did living. Blah, blah, blah.